Victoria, Australia, September 11, 2024.
Oh my. Oh no, not again.
A severe storm accompanied by hail and heavy rain resulting in flash flooding has hit a number of locations in Victoria on Wednesday afternoon. For example, in Castlemaine and its surroundings were hit by quite heavy hail.
What hail? It is awesome. That is so cool.
Heavy hail caused chaos in the city centre of Castlemaine. The streets were filled with piles of hail that looked like piles of snow. Castlemaine people shared videos of the heavy hail storm on social media. The video shows hail flooding the streets in the city centre. An Indonesian resident who had only been in Castlemaine for a few weeks was surprised by the hail storm that hit the area. She had never experienced the hail storm phenomenon in her country, Indonesia.
Cuman ada hujan salju nih guys, banyak sekali guys saljunya guys. Oh my god.
Previously, the Australian Weather Service had issued a critical weather hazard map for Wednesday, September 11, 2024. Isolated to scattered storms are expected to occur in parts of Victoria. There is a small chance for 1 or 2 storms in the central part of the state to become severe in a short time with localized moderate to large hail, damaging winds and heavy rain.
I've never seen anything like this in.
There is a low to moderate potential for 1 or 2 fairly low severity thunderstorms across parts of southern interior Queensland. Isolated thunderstorms of fairly low severity are possible across northern interior NSW. Isolated thunderstorms are expected across southern parts of the interior. Fairly low severity is possible, but strong winds and small hail are possible with some of these thunderstorms.
Oh look, there's food.
Isolated snow showers are possible over some of the higher mountain areas of Tasmania's Central Plateau.
Okay, thank you for watching to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will give you the information about the natural disaster around the world every day. Weather condition in my village, in my country. heavy rain. And flooding. Okay, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.